Welcome to Sairam Tribali YouTube channel. Let us discuss module 1 and 2 of your power system analysis 1 subject. The first module is representation of power system components. Continuation of this module is module 2 symmetrical fault analysis. Right? Before getting into the subject, we'll see the background of this subject. We have a power system 3 parts. One is power system 0, power system analysis 1, power system analysis 2. Power system analysis 0 already we studied, right, in the third semester and fourth semester. In the third semester, power generation and economics. In the fourth semester, transmission and distribution of transmission line. So in the power generation, we discussed power plants like thermal power plant, hydro power plant, nuclear power plant, gas power plant, wind, solar, right. So in the transmission and distribution, we discussed types of transmission lines, pi module, T module, and also we discussed insulators we are using in the transmission lines, and also we discussed cables, overhead transmission lines, underground cables, and then also we discussed SAG, corona in the transmission and distribution subject, and also we discussed distribution transformers, feeders, and poles we are using in the transmission lines, towers we are using. Those things and all we discussed already. This one is power system analysis 2. So representation of power system components. So the basic power system components are, I'll be coming from the base. First one is generator. What type of generator are we using in the power plant? Definitely we are using a synchronous generator. So it occupies almost, just to visit once any power plants, it occupies almost 60-40 side. So like big generators we are using to generate the power, right? So there we are generating 11 kilovolts. Also one specialty will be there in the synchronous generator. Magnetic field is rotating and the conductors are stationary, so just it will be collecting the current. So 11 kV we are generating in the power plants, either it may be a hydel, thermal, nuclear, or whatever it may be. In the hydel power plants, the speed will be less. We are using a silent pole synchronous generator, and in the thermal, nuclear, gas power plants, speed will be more, above 500 rpm. We are using their non-silent pole synchronous generator, right. So generator part over. Next there is a power system components. I'll be coming from the single line diagram. Okay, wave trap will be there. Wave trap is for trapping the unwanted signals or unwanted disturbances, like interference and disturbance occurs in the other communications lines, that will be trapped by the wave trap. Next we have a lightning arrestor. Lightning arrestor is like a police, right? So it arrests the lightnings when flashover occurs. It's like a arrestor. Next there is a isolator switches. Isolator switches is for on-off condition purpose, for maintenance purpose we are using. Next we have a circuit breaker which break the circuit when fault occurs. If suppose tree is falling into the transmission lines, if suppose fault occurs in the any switch gears, any transmission lines, what happens? Automatically current reaches some limit, so circuit breaker sends by relay, so automatically it will get trip off, right? So it makes other components healthy. That's why we are using circuit breaker. Next we have a bus bars. Bus bar is for to carry the power, right? So we have different types of bus bar. 11 kilovolts bus bar, and then 66 kilovolts bus bar, 220 kilovolts bus bars are available. Next we have a transformer. Transformer is for stepping down purpose, stepping up purpose. So step up transformer we are using in power plants, because there we are generating only 11 kilovolts. So 11 or 66 as per your requirement. Next we have a step down transformer. Basically you can find a step down transformer near by your home, right? So there is a step down transformer is available. From there we are tapping into single phase as well as 3-phase power supply. 3-phase for in our home for lifting of water, 3-phase induction motor using, and single phase for domestic appliances purpose, right? So you can see nearby your home H pole mounted substation definitely available, right? So there we can see only 3 incoming lines but 4 outgoing lines. So 3 incoming lines in the sense that is either it may be a star connected or delta connected. So 3 transmission lines into 4, right? So 4 in the sense if you connect one R, one neutral, RYB, 3 phases will be there, one neutral will be there. So easily you can use a single phase as well as 3 phase, right? So let's move on to the topic. So first of all, why we need to study this power system analysis subject? This one is like for planning purpose and for improvement purpose and then expansion by analysis. It's called as a power system analysis. Planning in the sense you can plan based on the requirement, and the next there is a improvement. If suppose present there is no updation, so we can improve. Next expansion. So power system we can expand as per the requirement or as per your view, right? By analysis is called as a power system analysis. In this we have power system analysis. Generation will be there, transmission will be there, and distribution will be there. In the generation sector we have power plants like this one is a power plant, right? And there is a step up transformer is present. Step up transformer is for stepping up purpose from 11 kilovolts to 33 or 66 or 220 kilovolts. Next there is a tower will be there for transmitting the, I mean like just for holding purpose, okay, transmission lines holding. And next there is a transmission lines from here to here. Transmission substation, just to assume this one is a Vijayanagara. This one is a just to consider this one is a Vijayanagara substation. Just I considered as a Bangalore. This one you consider as a Raichur, okay. Raichur to here there is a Vijayanagara main substation will be there. Next we have a Anekal distribution substation. So from there to here there is a backside of your college we have a step down transformer. After that just you consider this one is a college, okay, not home. You can consider your wish, okay. So power will be flowing from power plant to your home like this. There is a power plant, either it may be a thermal, hydel, nuclear or any wind, solar power plants. After that there is a step up transformer for stepping up purpose, and next there is a transmission lines, and next there is a transmission substations. Substations for here we can find two ways of power delivery. One is for industries and one is for domestic appliances substations, right? Domestic appliances, domestic purpose. Here there is a substation, distribution substation for distributing the power based on the areas. Next there is a transformers here. This one is a step down transformer for stepping down 11 kilovolts to 415 or 230 volts. So then afterwards we are using this one. So generation is this one and transmission is power, and then distribution of power this one, okay. Transmission, distribution and utilization. So see here previously we discussed only generation, transmission, distribution. Next we have a utilization, right? See here generators from the thermal power plant, solar power plant, wind power plant, and then this one is also on gas power plant or nuclear power plant, right? So next there is a step up transformer, right, for stepping up purpose. Next there is a high voltage transmission lines. Here we are not using power supply. After that, after stepping down again from substation to your home, okay. Next there is a step down transformer from step down transformer to your home or consumer side. This is utility, okay. So in the power system analysis it includes not only generation, transmission, distribution, even though utilization also will be there. So that's why it is called as a power system analysis. See here I told you expansion or improvement, right? So basically from the base we studied only generation, transmission, distribution. So the expansion of this subject. So expansion in sense, I mean like improvement of the subject or extending, right? So utilization part also will be there in the components of power system, right? So this is a concept, a power system analysis subject. So